Welcome back to Primetime News.
And a special welcome to those of you watching on onespotmedia.com.
The nation's teachers are hinting at industrial action tomorrow. This as issues surrounding the non-payment of salaries still persist.
The Jamaica Teachers Association issued the charge to its members in a letter which was also circulated to the press. Details in this report.
In the 3-paragraph letter, this line stood out. The Jamaica Teachers Association cannot guarantee normalcy come tomorrow. The problem, while some teachers have received their salaries, some have not. And where the payments have been made, the association says questions abound regarding the accuracies, adding that the current situation is a blatant disrespect to the nation's educators. The JTA also outlined some demands. It believes that the government should make provisions to offset interest rates to be accrued on teachers' loans and other credit facilities. The association says it is further concerned about the threat of repossession of items and the impact of the current situation on members' credit ratings. And so members who have been paid and those who are yet to receive their salaries are being called upon to stand together to register their displeasure, as according to the JTA, this canned regard for educators cannot continue. As for what form this will take, that is unclear. But if protest action by the teachers a few weeks ago is anything to go by, there could be disruption in the classroom. In the meantime, the Ministry of Education confirmed that teachers have begun to receive their salaries. In a release, it stated that payments were delayed by a number of days as the Education Ministry and the Ministry of Finance worked through the process of accurately converting, approving, and uploading the retroactive amounts and new salary rates. The ministry says it is also working with the Accountant General's Department and commercial banks to ensure any glitches are cleared. Kelisha Williams, TVJ News.